This is long term. Sound like friends. Now see, now this is what them old people be tricking them off with them young girls in the club with. You see that?
You make me feel.
Boom, 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 boom.
Ooh,
Hey, pardon me. Hey, I know y'all hear that water boiling in the background, but hey, look. We all know the stock market is boiling. The world is boiling. And it's getting crazy. But look, we got another silver stacking unboxing here. Let's get to it. Let's do it. We got a bar in here and we got an American Silver Eagle in here. You know what I mean? Silvertown bar. Yeah, y'all know I'm always using something. I can just, don't worry about me. I think about you all the time.
all I do is think of you. Day and night, that's all I do. That's all I do. All I do.
Hold up now. Hold up. Ooh, that's all I do. I can't get random year. So we don't know what we got yet. What's this? 2017. Ooh, I think about you all the time. All I do is think of you. Yes, we're adding more silver. We add more ounces to the ounces. Let's do it. Discipline. Ghetto. Like, comment, subscribe.